everyone. Hi. Because of the story we said concerning somebody, and I want to talk about polygamy, normal family wahala. Family wahala. You can be in only your family and you go cause wahala, especially when you have born all your children and you can't love one past others. This thing they bring family wahala. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, depending on the location you're watching me from. This is Love Ada Family TV. In case you have not seen me or for a while, or you've not seen me at all, now let's go. So I want to talk say family wahala. They start from when sister dey jealous sister. In a family, there are family that they born girls, and all these girls grow up. Their parents did not teach them that it's an abomination for one woman to sleep with this one man to sleep with these sisters, the same sisters. There are some family. This man go come, he go friend the other, he go friend the next, he go friend the third, he go friend all of them. He go sometime, he go after friending them, he go marry one. Now abomination. Because for this our land, we know they marry sister, brother. If you marry to a woman, that woman has become your sister. Some people go say, why Abraham? But Abraham legally married. If you want to marry the sister, please go to them. Don't start dating her until you pregnant her. That one no dey good. They bring family wahala. Even if it's two sisters you marry, pregnant them, they come born pikin. This thing where you see y'all and Judy Austin they do, you go still see them for your family. Because you could see now, that is why May say he no want polygamy. And if you look at May life, there is no polygamy in her life. But when you look at y'all, you look at Judy Austin, hey, you go see say their life na full of trouble wahala. It can't be like say then they art movie. So the thing with me I dey tell you be say, if you a man you want to marry, don't marry because of us. We want to remarry. Don't remarry because of frustration. I don't dey talk am. Don't marry because you went out and you love the lady. You started dating the lady. Then you marry the lady. Definitely you will not marry that lady the way you're supposed to marry the lady. Go and look at our brothers at North and see how they are married. When he married, the first wife remain the first wife. Second wife remain second wife. Third wife remain third wife. Don't use the last wife to make number one. It will cause trouble. In case you're already in polygamy marriage, please, all the children are the same. They are your blood. Try to bring them together. But if you never let enter polygamy, I beg you, no try. Especially all these ladies that are frustration, they carry them enter marriage. No allow frustration carry you enter there. Some wives say they come out from their normal marriage, go enter this one. I don't know what be our